Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. Today I'd like to talk to you about anti-tip devices for ranges, also known as stoves. So if you look in the back here, you'll see that there's this device down here, and this one is fastened to the wall at the baseboard, and what it does is it slides around one of the feet of the stove or the range. If you notice, it also has a couple screw holes to anchor it to the floor if that's a better way to install it. So they're versatile. The main purpose of this is the stove will slide in. Let's see if I can carefully slide this back in. So stove slides in, that foot slides into that place on that anti-tip device, and once it's in there, it can't move forward. So it's engaged. It doesn't allow the stove to tip forward. Now, what would cause that to happen? One is, say, a young child opened the door and used it as a step to reach up higher. As you can imagine, this would be a very dangerous thing to do. It could pull the stove forward. If there's anything hot on the stove, it would fall forward. Another possible scenario is something real heavy, like a big turkey or something placed here. It can cause the stove to tip. If you bought a new range, chances are it comes with one. It should come with one. If you don't have one, I highly recommend you get one installed. It's a safety feature, and especially if you have young children in the household, it's definitely something you should look into. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like to find out more helpful information about houses and maintenance, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We put out videos like this regularly. Well, have a great day, and bye for now.